Creating bootable drive installation Windows 10. Before we begin, make sure you have a laptop or PC and a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of space. We will use it to create a bootable drive. First, go to Google and search Windows 10. Click download Windows 10 DSIC image iOS file. Scroll down and click download now. After it downloads, click it in your folder so it opens directly in File Explorer. Run it as administrator or just double click it. A pop-up will appear on your screen. Just click yes. Wait a few seconds while it gets things ready. Read the applicable notice and license terms, then click accept. Wait again while it prepares everything. Select create installation media and click next. Choose the language, architecture, and edition you want for your computer, or simply use the recommended option for your PC. Then click next. When asked to choose which media to use, select USB flash drive if you want to write directly to your USB. But in this tutorial, I'll use the ISO file option. Then click next. Select the location where you want to save the window ISO file. I recommend saving it in your downloads folder. Then click save and wait while it gets things ready. It will start downloading Windows 10. This might take a while depending on your internet speed. You can take a short break while waiting. Once the download is done, it will verify your download. Next, it will start creating Windows 10 media. Wait until the progress reach 100%. When it's done, click finish. You'll now find the Windows 10 ISO file in the folder you selected earlier. Next, go to Google again and search Rufus. Scroll down and click Rufus 4.11p example portable to download it. After downloading, open it and run as administrator. Yes, when prompted. Now you'll see the drive, properties, format option, and status section. Under drive, properties, select your USB drive and then choose the Windows 10 ISO file you downloaded earlier. In the format option, there's no need to change anything as long it matches your system setup. Then click start. Click OK in all confirmation boxes. Remember, all files in your flash drive will be deleted. Wait for a few minutes while Rufus creates the bootable drive. Once it's done, just click close. And there you have it. You successfully created a Windows 10 bootable drive. Installing Windows 10. How? Let's start installing Windows 10. Insert your USB flash drive into the system unit, the PC or laptop where you want to install Windows. Next, press the reset button and repeatedly press F2 to open the BIOS setup. Once in your switch to advanced mode by pressing F7 and go to the boot tab. Under the boot option 1, select your USB bootable drive. After that, go to exit, click save, change, and reset. Wait for your computer to restart. Don't press anything. You'll see a blue Windows setup screen. Click next, then click install. Now, it will say setup is starting. When it is asked for an activation key, click I don't have a product key. Next, select the operating system you want to install. For me, I'll choose Windows 10. Home, then click next. Read the license terms, check the box. To accept, then click next. Then choose custom install Windows only, advanced. Delete all the existing partition, then click next. Now, Windows will start installing, just wait a few minutes. And when it says Windows needs to restart to continue, wait for the screen to turn black, then remove your USB flash drive so it won't boot again. Your PC will restart automatically. This might take a while, so just be patient. After restarting, you'll see another blue setup screen. When it asks to connect to a network, click I don't have internet. Then choose continue with limited setup. And you'll see message like, hi, we're getting everything ready for you. This might take several minutes and leave everything to us. Just let it finish. Special mention to my blackmates.
And that's it. You've successfully installed Windows 10 on your PC or laptop. Thank you for watching.